how important is subtlety for an actress?
Firstly, I'm actually quite a subtle person when personally if I'm going to be talking to someone. My extreme emotions are very subtle. भले मैंने gap लिए 3-4 साल के, but 3-4 साल मैंने काम किया है खुद पे.
What's your favorite song in the movie?
Sweetie slowly, slowly, chalo sweetie slowly, slowly. Hi, this is Nusrat Bharucha and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
The impressive part is that you've not overdone it, because something like this it could have easily gone into the Saas Bahu Saga sort of zone that you're over in terms of overacting and shouting and screaming and all that stuff. So you kept it like subtle all throughout without even changing any expressions. You're still communicating that that this is what I mean, like when you take Ishita in and tell her what really was the entire thing. So there are not too many expressions. They're a very subtle sort of studied sort of confidence on the face, and that's about it. So how important is subtlety for an actress? To be subtle as far as what you're doing?
I think for me, firstly, I'm actually quite a subtle person when personally if I'm going to be talking to someone or if I'm going to be behaving a certain way, my extreme emotions are very subtle. You'll probably not catch them. I'm genuinely that sort of person. To add to it, I have been doing roles which are actually very caricaturish, whether it's PKP 1 or 2. So I have played outside my comfort zone in those two films. So if you ask me, this one was far easier for me to do than those two.
Correct.
But those were not looked upon as acting jobs because people don't know who you are and like how much of it you are doing differently on screen. So क्योंकि वो मैंने caricature किए थे, when we came to doing this, I felt like this needs this because you don't need to do too much in performances. I'm somebody who will probably not overdo a performance unless people ask me to do it, which is what the first two parts were. So भले मैंने gap लिए 3-4 साल के, but 3-4 साल मैंने काम किया है खुद पे.
नहीं, वो दिखता है. हाँ. वो दिखता है. अभी I think मेरे ख्याल से you're totally prepared for it as well. Now see, as we briefly discussed in the last interview that लव रंजन की फिल्म्स जो होती हैं, I think वो बेचारे बहुत ही वाहिद ऐसे शख्स हैं जो कि मर्दों की लाज रखने में की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. बाकी तो आज के टाइम पे जो है मर्दों की बैशिंग सिर्फ होती है. बट दैट वाज ऑन द लाइटर नोट. पता नहीं उस पर भी एक्चुअली ट्रोल होता है आज के टाइम पे, कुछ पता नहीं. बट ऑन अ मोर ऑब्जेक्टिव point of view, like say for example we have this entire Me Too movement right now, Time's Up movement right now. So we saw that in Oscars today, that how it was brought up in a big way as well. At the same time, say we have these films which in a way show that even men can be like foolish and they can be taken for a ride and how things can be. So it's basically just two sides to
the same
spectrum. Yeah, correct. Two sides of the spectrum maybe. Like there is one this aspect and one this aspect. Sure. How important is it to have like a middle ground? That all men are not entirely like the vultures the way they have been presented in certain manner, and the fact is that
all women are not the same either.
Exactly. Yeah. So how important is it to just have like a middle ground? Or do you think that one needs a middle ground, or there's no
I think if a middle ground exists, then one needs to have it. The two films that we have done, or three films that we have done, which have sort of been on the other spectrum of the whole story, is because of the fact that we were trying to achieve an effect because it was a comedy film, right? If tomorrow the film is about a relationship purely and the complications of a relationship, then I think you need to have a middle ground in that story where both of them are human beings. They are both flawed, right? So कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ कोई ना कोई गलत करेगा ही करेगा, correct? तो उस कहानी में अगर आप एक middle ground define करते हैं, तो मुझे वो कहानी बहुत सुंदर लगती है. That you are not making somebody out and out wrong or right or villain or caricature or victim for that matter. You've kept them all real. So in that case, because that story would need that, I think a middle ground could definitely be explored, and I think it exists. I mean, there are so many relationships that stand tests of time. I mean, you go through ups and downs, but you're still together, right? And ऐसा तो कोई कुछ भी नहीं है. मैंने भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें गलत की है लाइफ में.
जी.
But you survive it. So I guess there is a middle ground, and somebody should explore it.
Somebody should explore that as well. Okay, and what's your favorite song in the movie?
स्वीटी स्लोली स्लोली चलो स्वीटी स्लोली स्लोली ऐसे ना चलो जैसे तमंची की हो गोली
तमंचे की गोली क्या बात
दुनिया है बदतमीज तुमको करेगी टीज क्या गाना है यार और मेरा नाम था उसमें ओह माय गॉड आई लव इट यू नो एवरी टाइम आई डिड दीज एक्सप्रेशंस दे प्लेड दैट सॉन्ग इन द बैकग्राउंड फॉर मी
अच्छा दे डिड
आई सेड वो स्वीटी वाला गाना लगा दो फिर मैं लुक देती हूँ कार्तिक को और फिर मैं करती हूँ एक्टिंग Hi, this is Nusrat Bharucha and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.